Here we're on site and we have a sunrise that has failed for some reason. Now we can see on the app that it's a lamp failure. I'll show you how to replace this device with this new one in this video. I just want you to note that in the settings we can see the classification is D32. Next test date is the 17th of December at 1:01 AM. And if we check out the floor plan, we can see the device on this beautiful floor plan here. Now, to replace this device, we'll unplug it, plug in the new one. On the app, we'll see if it comes up. You might have multiple sunrises on site, so just tapping identify can help you make sure it's the right one. But it also comes up as uncommissioned, which gives you a good indication that the device hasn't been commissioned. So what we do is replace this with number one. You can see the floor plan there. We will replace it. Now, number one has the same name as the old device. It says no test result because it's brand new. It also has not saved the testing information. So what we will need to do is apply a template to the new device. It does save the name and location, just not the settings. But as I said, as long as you've saved the template, you can easily fix that up. Remember before, the test was at 1:01 AM. We can make it go back to that. As easy as that as well, if you don't have a template. And that's it. Your new device is the same as your old device. I will note that this is a self-test sunrise. If you're on a LR networking site, not an ST site, you will not have to apply a template or change the settings. The settings will be taken from the cloud to the device, so you don't have to worry about that.